In this video, we will see a tricky SQL interview question. The question is, find the number of times each word appears in draft. Output the word along with the corresponding number of occurrences. For that, I have already created a table called as Google underscore file underscore store, and this is the data the table is having. It has got two columns. The first column is file name and the second column is content. And the file name has different types of files. The types are draft and final. So we have to find the number of times each words are appearing in the draft file names. So we have to split the content such that each word is split into different rows, and then we have to count the number of times each words are repeating in the draft. And this is our input table, and our output should look like this table where the values or the words inside the content is split into different rows, and we are counting the number of occurrence of that particular word. Now let us go back to SSMS and see how we can achieve this result. The file name is called as Google underscore file underscore store. That is, select star from Google underscore file underscore store. Let us query this table and see what the table is having. The table is having the exact same data which we saw in the previous Excel file. So this is the table. Now we have to convert this table such that each words in the content is split into different rows. For that, we are going to use a function called as string split here. Let us see how we can achieve that. We will start with a select clause, and before writing any arguments inside the select clause, we are going to write a from clause based on the Google underscore file underscore store. And the string split function actually we have to use along with the from clause. For that, one more concept we have to use which is called as cross apply. So we will write a cross apply function here. Then after cross apply, we are going to use the string underscore split function, and inside parenthesis we are going to specify the column name which is the content. Then after this we are going to specify the delimiter based on which the splitting should happen. So here it is the space, open and close single quotes along with a space, and now we have the string split function. And now in the argument, sorry, in the select clause we have to specify a function called as value. Then we can give an alias name for this value column as words. Now let us run this query and see what is the result we are getting. Execute this. Now we have the words split into different rows. Also in the question it's given that we only have to consider the draft. So we have to write a where clause where, and the first column from the Google file store, let me query the table and let me take a look at that once again. It is called as file name. So file name like, and inside the single quotes we have to specify draft and followed by a person sign, and it is file name. Now run this and we will get only words from the file name draft. Execute this. Yeah, we have the result. Now we have to count the number of times each words are repeating. For that, we will place this query inside a CTE with T1 as open and close parenthesis. And now we are going to write another select clause based on the CTE T1. Select words, comma, count star as number of occurrence, and this is taken from the table T1 or CTE table T1. Now we have to write a group by clause based on the words column. Now execute this and we should get the result. Execute. Now we have the intended result where we have words as the first column and number of occurrence of different words as the second column. This is how we can achieve the result which we were looking for. And the tricky part here is the cross apply function, then string split function. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe our channel for more. Thank you.